Okay, so we have other options, disable volumetric lights, and right here. So we have another options. It is lighting and influence. Influence, which allowed us to have specific lights and diffusing, like which one we want to use specular light and diffused light enable for this light source. And important is what objects or how we want to influence. For example, if I have another sphere and I don't want this sphere by affecting by my light, I can go inside the influence and I select only object, for example, is affecting or object except. So in this case, I can disable this and you can see which one will affecting. So only object that marked below example. Now will this object, the sphere and ground. Or in this case, if it just mark only this, so will affect only this. These are very useful options when you want overall your scenery maybe in lighting look perfect except one object maybe does not light properly. You can create light source, point or point lights to this object, modify lighting to bring this subject out and enable affecting only this particular object. In this case, it's kind of specialized twinking more with playing with lights. So influence is important to use and it's very nice options. We also have an effect of the lighting where currently you see we have it linear. Anytime we can go and switch to different type. As well, we can customize fallout. So we can go create specific filter for our lighting. And right here you can see how it will affect on the fallout. Or we can specify from linear or quadratic, whatever we want to use. We also can specify a cutoff range for this. Currently it's 100 meters. And we can specify if any variable lights we want to use it. So as example, let's create a rainbow light. Okay, right here you can see we on green, it's cut off. So let's bring closer. The light is, you can see how lights is modified, or we can bring more far and the distance. So these variable colors, it will affect based from the light source to the down. So if we set, okay, let me maybe set a little bit more this way, you can see how this light will affect differently on an object depending on how far they're from the light. Okay, again, each light as a normal properties for the object you can modify by highlighting, so you can easily identify a group of the lightings in this standard for the object browser kind of properties in the object. And again, for all lights, and we'll look at this in a project file, you can create an effect for the clouds spectral atmosphere influence clouds. So you can create additional effect including spotlights, so you can point in, or point lights or any other lights.